Let's see the sound of it. You can load anything in the back of that. Let's see what the horse sounds like. Try again. If Darren offers me a job here, I would definitely come and work for him. Bull bar at the front and that is one of the most amazing things that you can see in a truck. So we're driving the Scania. Here we go again, guys, another episode Trucking UK, and the missus is driving, and we have arrived in JPL now. They kindly invite us to come down and do a video for them and have a look at the trucks. And look, his fleet is amazing. It's one of them fleets that does stand down the roads. I'm so glad and I'm so happy that they invite me to come down and have a look at the fleet. It is like one of the best fleets I have seen. You can compare their fleet to Harrison's and it's exactly the same. Clean, immaculate, and the best thing is they do low loaders. They're absolutely amazing. We're just driving in and driving out. I don't know why the missus is driving out. What's the reason? You should have parked anywhere back there.
There's no spaces. I'll have to park on the streets.
No, right, park on the streets, park somewhere, park there. You're not driving very good today, are you?
There's no spaces.
Let's go and have a look at this. We're here now and we're having a look at absolutely everything they got. High up, they got all the Scania 660 B8, a 660S XT, and we got the 770 as well. Let's see the sound of it. It's an absolutely beast this as well. I think we're gonna go for a spin on this. This is a daily truck. Somebody uses this truck on a daily basis. Everything digital as well. What an amazing truck. I got in the Scania, but when you get to drive something like this, it's spotless as well. Oh, nice. This is a nice truck as well. Let's go and carry on having a look at what else is around there. The back has got a low loader as well. We might be getting hands on a low loader one day as well. Got all the stuff. So when you think about this, you can put a massive truck on the back of this, telehandlers like in that one there. Let's go and have a look at that. You can load anything in the back of that. This is the change we just seen back there. Tight enough that. I don't know how to use them very well, so it will be ideal to get somebody to show us how to use it. Oh, look at this. It's got a camera as well. Oh, with this camera at the back that you have a truck in the back, you have forklift, you got all the stuff. Camera will be needed because if anything come loose, you'll be able to see it straight away because you got a camera on the back. Oh, I might say a drop in there in a second. So they do curtain size as well. They JPL, honestly, what an amazing place to be with trucks. Alright, in here we got a Scania, we got a 660, what an amazing truck, 2022 plate as well. It's got the bars and the stuff, and they know normal lights as well. They are LED lights, like powerful ones. Let's have a look on the inside and see what it's like. Oh, he's got mats as well. Let's see what the horse sounds like. Jesus. Try again. If Darren offers me a job here, I would definitely come and work for him. What an amazing truck. I'm gonna go for a spin on one of them in a second. Let's keep having a look. All right, let's talk about this Scania. This Scania's got a double tack axle, I should have said. So basically it's got 4 wheels at the back. The middle axle's got another 4 on the front one. So you got 10 wheels. So you can carry heavy stuff as well. The low loader's got a wheel there, which is in case that you gotta repair stuff, you gotta talk about it. But oh my God, look at that. Look at that. My personal favorite, because I drove one of this before. All right, in here we got a DAF 530. It's got a bull bar at the front, and that is one of the most amazing things that you can see in a truck. Even though that this is an Australian thing, we still use it here because it looks nice. It's got spotlights at the front, or LED. It's got LED lights at the top. It's got a toolbox at the back. It's got something that is absolutely amazing, and you don't see it everywhere. This is a proper low loader to my eyes. This can carry anything that is high. So the highest a trailer can be in the UK, I think, if I'm wrong, please leave it in the comment, is 16 foot high. I think. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment. They made this low, that's really low compared to that. So look at this. This is already in the back of that truck, and look how far it's from the ground. This is how far it's from the ground. But when you look at flatbed, look at how high it is. So compare both of them and look at the difference. So in here, you can put any big machine. You can put diggers, you can put absolutely anything you want in this. And one of the things that I noticed as well, in the back it's got something where you can put your tools on as well. Anything that you carry, tools, straps or anything, will go on the back of it. I don't want to take the whole thing off because it will take some time to do that, but let's put it back on. Another interesting thing that you will find out in this company in JPL is they do cranes as well. What do you think about the fleet?
Amazing. And you're going to go play with the high-up stuff?
I want to ask Darren to put it up, but I'm going to see when we finish.
Yeah.
Oh, before we finish, obviously. These guys are really prepared. So, what did we say? Low loaders, flatbed, high-ups, and curtain size as well. That is everything. They got everything in here. Another interesting thing that you will find out in this company in JPL is they do cranes as well. All right, we're gonna go out on this bull bar. All right, we're gonna go out on this DAF XG now. We're gonna go for a spin. I haven't drove one of these in a really long time, so let's go and find out what it's like to drive it again. We're gonna be driving this one, and then we're gonna be driving the Scania afterwards, and we're gonna drive it like pretty much every single one of them. So this is gonna be on my way. So. All right, we're in this cab right now, and we got the missus with us. All right, it's time to get out of here then. As all the time, this is where we'll be flashing up stuff on us all. So we're gonna have to build the air, we're gonna have to do so many things. This is amazing, look at that. 200,000 miles on the clock. We managed to get in a truck with 200 miles on. Give that a cling as well.
Is it nice being back in a DAF?
Yes, it's nice.
I've missed the noises.
All right, let's get out of here then. It's one of the things that I missed that you don't know is the cameras. Look the size of that compared to the ones in the other ones. Feels wonderful driving one of this again, and this truck smells fantastic as well, don't you think? All right, it's a little bit narrow around here already. Oh my god.
Be careful, this is not our truck.
Oh, no, how close are we to that?
Very.
Just gotta be extra careful with this truck because it's not our truck. But one of the things I can tell you is because I haven't drove a brand new truck like this in a really long time. When did I left? It's been a while now.
Yeah, in the summer.
So I haven't drove a new truck in about 6 months, and this is what I call comfier. This is comfy, this is a comfy truck. This is absolutely amazing. I can be driving this every day and not have a problem. It's just a fantastic thing.
Yeah.
I'm amazed that I'm back in one of the DAF. I didn't think I was going to be driving one of these DAF ever again after I left that job. Memories, comfier, everything that you need actually. What an amazing feeling. We're going to go on a Scania, so... All right, just...
Ain't the baby.
Yeah, that should be all right there. Just drive it back in. That's it, back in, easy as that. All right, that was fantastic that. All right, amazing experience. And getting Morgan is where I just fixed my truck as well.
Yeah, so go follow us on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, we're on both pages, and go follow JPL Transports on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok.
Big shout out to them. So, all right, we're driving the second one. This time we're driving a Scania 660 XT B8. So everything we're driving so far is just a B8, well looked after. Look at what I got there, and it's a rear lift tack as well. In the back of it, we're gonna have a low loader. It's a small yard to be driving in. I mean, like reversing. But you get a hang of it. So I'm having a look at the trailer. Everything there is all right just before I start driving. Obviously doing my checks. You need to do your checks before you do anything. Yeah, we're just going around the corner anyway, so it should be all right. I never drove a low loader in my life, and this is going to be the first time. But look at that truck. Bang, if you're watching this video, that will look sick in the truck as well, mate. All I gotta do is just pull out basically now. Let's go. Hey, you can start there.
Hi.
Hey, you're in the truck all the time now, aren't you?
I'm just keeping warm. I've got a question.
Go.
Is this your first time with a low loader?
Yes, it is.
Woo!
First time driving a low loader. So I've been getting tips in here, how to use this, that, it's all that little things. Let's drive this low loader and the back wheels turn. Are we all right to pull out then? You're lower at the back. That's what I'm trying to think about. Yeah, this is easier to drive than a normal truck, you know.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. Because you can't see because it hasn't got curves inside or anything like that. It's just easier to drive. I could reverse this anywhere.
Really?
It's just so easy to drive. Alright, we're doing the turn here. Honestly, it's easier to drive a low loader, to be honest, than anything else. Because when you're turning, it's got rear steering, so that the trailer turns itself. Woo! Thank you, Darren, for showing us your trucks. Thank you for letting us go out. Thank you for, you know what, everything. Wow, I enjoy that. That is one of the best drives I have done, especially with this Scania. It just makes things so much easier. The miss is gonna be doing this soon enough. So she's gonna be doing this, so she better like start preparing.
Taking notes.
That you already have. What a nice truck to drive, honestly. So happy that I drove this. Darren, thank you again, mate, for letting me drive this. It's a different level experience. To me, right now, B8 Scanias, better than DAF. Better than any truck I have driven so far. I'm made up with this truck so much that I haven't got words to describe it, how nice it looks, how good it is. I'm just made up. Definitely, like, might think about doing low loaders in the future. A lot of people say, no, don't do this and that. You know, might think about it.
I would, if you enjoy it, definitely go for it.
And one thing that makes it easier is the back of the trailer turns as well. It's got a tag axle as well, which means the back wheel lifts instead of the middle one like mine. So that's one of the things to look at as well. Amazing, what experience, man. Wow. Driving a 22 plate Scania B8 with a low loader in the back, obviously empty, but still an amazing thing to do, and I will do it again, even though because it's the trailer turns, it's a bit difficult when you reverse when it's the first time doing it, but I did manage that all right, so I will do it again. All right, guys, we have finished now with JPL Transport. What an amazing place. Darren, thank you for the invitation again. Thank you for everything. It's been wonderful. Thank you for letting me have an experience in a low loader. At least I know what a low loader is like.
Yeah, you enjoyed that, didn't you?
Especially the Scania B8 that is going. Amazing to drive. I can. Man.
Ask him if
what a
he'll
good
swap
day.
it for your Scania.
Don't think so.
You're a deal.
Another shout out for JPL Transport. Go on Instagram, go on TikTok, then all the social media. They're wonderful. They're wonderful.
Yeah.
They're wonderful, even to talk to.
Very good company.
Energetic as well.
Yes.
Anyway, gonna cut it here, guys. Thank you for following, like, comments, and all that stuff. Remember, this is your channel, and we are just going out there trying to get the best of the best, so you enjoy the channel.
Yeah.
Thank you, and make sure you follow Trucking UK HQ as well on TikTok and Instagram as well. So anyway, gonna cut it here. Cheers, guys.